All right, guys, welcome to the Monday Directions. A little bit different this week. We are definitely splitting off. If you're an online student versus if you're an in-person student, we're definitely doing two different things here. And that's because the video that we're going to watch all week, that the school likes us to watch, is not online. So I'm going to give you a little creative. We're going to have basically little clips, little reading guides, things like that for the online students, for the in-class persons. Obviously, we're just going to do our own thing. So make sure you're kind of doing the little videos every day, and I'll just keep adding it to your points. Today's video is right here. You can just click on it. It's like 18 minutes. It's all on the animated map of the revolution, so you'll be able to kind of see what's going on with this one. So yeah, it's like 18 minutes long. Click on it. Go through it. There's really no questions with it. It's just kind of giving us a good background so we can move forward. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Last day to turn in homework is this Friday, so let me know if you need an extension or anything.